Sometimes I just want to have my food, just to eat on my own. But Yo-Yo is always there. Okay, this is not easy because every time I'm trying to eat some food, he's always reaching, and he wants some more. And then he makes this trick that he's doing like he's leaving away, but then he comes back. And all he does just sits and waits because he knows he is gonna get something on some point. But all he's gonna get at this point is a kiss. Another kiss, and a little bit more kiss, and a little bit more play because he loves it. And of course we love it too. They are our darlings and we love them so much. Guys, subscribe to us and we see you soon.